together. It's never better. It is too damn hot, getting fed up. Well, I understand you need everything you wanna be, but this motherfucker.
If you wanna put my business out in the street, I'll throw your business out in the street too.
Y'all ready? Let's go, y'all ready? Let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like the food, it's the place to be. Then come and have a little fun, what your girl can't see.
Look at this steak one first. So hey y'all, hope you're doing well. Well, we finna lather this bad boy up. I like both sauces on them. This one's hot, but it's so good. That bad boy hot. I'm sorry if I smack. It's so good. I'm gonna see which one is my favorite. Steak, chicken, fish, or taco. I mean, pork. What's your favorite? I don't know. Pork might be number one.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your glutton Matt, having some Burger King today. I went and I grabbed an Impossible Whopper along with a regular Whopper so I can compare them today. And because that wouldn't have been enough, I got a Barbecue Bacon King because that's one of my favorite burgers from Burger King. And I also picked up some of their new jalapeno cheesy bites and some matzo sticks. And I also managed to snag a strawberry frosty on my way home from Wendy's. So, I don't know, I'm gonna start with these jalapeno cheesy bites. That's very strawberry. I don't want to eat too much of that because I want to save some for my fries. Which I didn't bring a fork with me. So I'm just going to have to dip them the old-fashioned way with my hands. Ooh, that's good. Oh, guys, with the strawberry. Oh no. I don't know if that's like blasphemy or not, like dipping Burger King fries in a Wendy's Frosty. Sort of starting to like stick together and stuff. So it's got 2 quarter-pounder patties on there with cheese, bacon. I think there's mayo on there too somewhere. And barbecue sauce, yeah. It sort of reminded me like a Baconator just with barbecue sauce.
What's up, Waxer Squad? Welcome back to the channel. So today, you guys, I am so excited because I will be trying Kim B's sauce for the first time. Are y'all ready? Because I am so ready for this. I got everything you can imagine. Everything but fried chicken to try with her sauce. So we gonna dip it. Put this down here. The sauce. Hold on, y'all. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Kim B, all I have to say to you is this. My God is awesome. He can move mountains. So, what's tea? Let me say something.
Guy actually ends up taking like a video on the beach of him with this giant check, and then some team runs into the shot and steals the check, and then like the gung-ho police officer like chases him down and he tackles him. Dude, the check was fake. What are you doing? Calm down. Calm down. Ooh, let's make a little sandwich. It's like refreshing. And jasmine rice. I got this meal inspired by Kim Pie, so make sure that you check her out. And if you haven't already, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because if you do and you leave me a comment, you might get a shout out. Shout out to this person. Thank you for supporting my channel. Let's pray and eat. My dog is like so mad at me right now. Lord, oh, Lord. Rice is gonna be everywhere. Huh. Ooh, let's make a little sandwich. It's like refreshing. Perfect little snack. Little snacky snack. They're FBI agents, and they really don't have much going on because I guess Jacksonville is kind of more of a slower area. And all three names, like so the FBI agent starts investigating it. Y'all, they uncover an entire like.
I bought them once about some stuff. Let's address the elephant in the room. Let's do that.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Oh my goodness, these long nails.
My goodness. I want to go on here so. Ooh. Alright, wait.
Cheers to 30. Ooh.
It's funny. I give that sauce at 8.5. And pineapples. It's good. Lobster tails. But I think for this challenge you have to have snow crab legs on your platter. It's funny. Now go back, you know. Now go back. Now go back. I have to do it.